We've all gazed at magazine covers, marveling at the effortless beauty of supermodels. Their hair, often tousled and wavy, seems to possess an effortless charm that screams, "I woke up like this." Well, darlings, I'm here to let you in on a little secret. Achieving that coveted supermodel bedhead isn't merely a stroke of luck. It's an art form, and my dear friend Dr. Boogie is a master artist in the world of hair. Dr. Boogie, renowned for his work with A-list celebrities, has generously shared his signature technique for achieving the perfect supermodel bedhead. This look is all about achieving that delicate balance between polished and undone. A look that whispers, "I'm effortlessly chic." It's the kind of hair that makes a statement without even trying, and trust me, it's a look that turns heads. So, get ready to transform your hair from basic to bombshell because, darlings, with Dr. Boogie's expert tips, you're just a few curls away from achieving hair that's ready for the runway, or at least a fabulous brunch with your besties. Let's unlock the secrets to hair that's enviably chic. Now, let's dive into the heart of Dr. Boogie's technique, breaking it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First things first, gather your tools. A trusty curling iron, a pack of duckbill clips, those large ones are key, and a light hold hairspray. Section your hair, darlings. This is crucial for achieving that voluminous, wavy texture. Starting from the back, wrap small sections of hair around your curling iron, holding it vertically. The moment you release a curl, don't let it drop. Immediately clip it in place using a duckbill clip. Dr. Boogie emphasizes the importance of using those large clips to avoid any unwanted crimping or tangling. Remember, we want those waves to be soft and natural looking, not stiff or overly defined. This technique keeps those gorgeous curls intact while they cool, setting the stage for long-lasting volume and hold. As you continue curling and clipping, pay attention to the direction of your curls. Dr. Boogie advises curling away from the face for a more flattering, face-framing effect. Think of it as creating a soft, cascading waterfall of waves. Once your entire head is adorned with perfectly clipped curls, give them time to cool completely. This is where the magic happens, darlings. As the curls cool, they set, ensuring that your supermodel bedhead lasts throughout the day, and maybe even into the night. While your curls are busy setting, why not use this time wisely? It's the perfect opportunity to apply your makeup, sip on a refreshing green juice, or catch up on your favorite fashion blogs. Multitasking at its finest. The big reveal, unclipping your masterpiece. Now, for the moment we've all been waiting for, releasing those gorgeous curls. Starting from the back, gently remove the clips, allowing the curls to cascade down. Resist the urge to brush or comb them out, darlings. Instead, use your fingers to gently separate and style the waves, creating that perfectly imperfect tousled texture. For a touch of extra hold and definition, Dr. Boogie recommends misting your hair with a light hold hairspray or applying a touch of light oil to the ends. This will help tame any flyaways and add a touch of healthy shine. Voila, you've officially achieved supermodel bedhead, ready to conquer the world, or at least look fabulous doing it. Maintenance is key, keeping the look alive. Now that you've unlocked the secrets to supermodel bedhead, let's talk maintenance. To keep your waves looking fresh and fabulous, Dr. Boogie suggests a simple trick. Before bed, loosely gather your hair into a high ponytail or braid. This will prevent your curls from getting too messy or tangled while you sleep. In the morning, simply release your hair and give it a quick shake. You can always touch up any areas that need a little extra love with your curling iron, but chances are you'll wake up with hair that's still enviably tousled and chic. Remember, darlings, achieving supermodel bedhead is all about embracing that perfectly imperfect texture. Don't be afraid to experiment, have fun with it, and most importantly, own your unique style. After all, confidence is the ultimate accessory.